Yeah, no kidding, Lisa. Earlier today, it took us about 4 hours to get up here from Sacramento. That's sort of the aftermath from the snow overnight, a few spinouts early this morning, but fortunately it sounds like traffic moving a lot better. Even so, that long drive, it was well worth it because when we got here, well, it was just a ski resort's dream. Temperatures close to 30 degrees, light winds, and even a little bit of fresh snow continuing to fall. And no one's more excited about that than the crews getting ready for the start of ski season.
A little over 24 hours ago, there was nothing, dirt and rocks around here, and then it started snowing, and as you can see, it hasn't stopped. We picked up 10 inches already.
Most resorts in the Sierra are reporting anywhere from 8 to 12 inches of heavy, wet snow over the past 24 hours. Needless to say, that has those in the ski industry pretty excited.
We're feeling really good, and we're a lot closer to the season than we were last year. So I think this snow is going to stick around, and then the cold temperatures is what's really key, allowing us to make snow.
Sugar Bowl is planning to open on Friday, November 25th, but communications manager John Slaughter says that date could be moved earlier if the current forecast for more snow holds. Meanwhile, crews at Sierra at Tahoe are finally ready for skiers and boarders to make tracks after suffering damage in the 2021 Caldor fire. Shelby Dunlap says this kind of snow at this point in the year is just perfect for a resort that relies heavily on natural powder.
At the beginning of the season, we're really looking for that wet, heavy snow that's allowed to be packed down to give us a really good base. So we're actually hoping to get more of that kind of snow as we get up to opening day that will give us a good base that will carry us through the season.
Dunlap says extensive tree removal has created a lot of new terrain to explore, and they're excited to get feedback from longtime pass holders and newcomers. And even though a lot of these resorts look ready for skiers and snowboarders, managers are urging those eager powder hounds to just hold off a bit and wait until they are publicly open. There's a lot of rocks underneath that snow, and of course resorts that are making their own snow are going to have a lot of heavy equipment and snow lines out for the next couple of weeks. So that's just for everyone's safety. Live at Sugar Bowl near Donner Summit, I'm meteorologist Heather Waldman for KCRA 3 News.
Heather, thank you. It sure is beautiful there.
It's gorgeous, gorgeous.